Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be breaking down an incredibly powerful trend following strategy. Now, in as much as this strategy is effective, it does not guarantee profit. Okay, there is no strategy out there that does guarantee profit. All right, but anyways, we are just going to be proceeding with how to take advantage of the Hama scalping system. So if you're looking for a structured and effective way to scalp the forex market, then this video is for you. Make sure to watch till the end, and if you enjoy these trading breakdowns, smash that like button and subscribe for more forex trading strategies. Now, the Hama Scalping System is a complete trading system that helps traders identify trends and execute trades with confidence. So this system is suitable for all traders, whether you are a beginner looking for a structured approach or an experienced trader wanting a refined scalping system. It works on multiple time frames and can be used across various forex pairs and trading instruments. So what makes the Hama scalping system effective? Let us just break it down. I'm going to be guiding you through the process of getting the system. Okay, so you can come to, if you need to download this system, you can come to the Forex admin site. It's actually a free site where you can download this Hama scalping system. We're just going to go down, we're going to click on the free download. I'm going to be guiding you through the process, okay, and I'm going to open it right on, okay, so that we can get the files for the system. Okay, so let us click on this. All right, now we are going to add all the indicators for this system to our MQL4. This is a template, so you have to exclude this TPL because that TPL is the file for the template. So we're going to add the indicators to the indicator folder, and we're going to add the template to the template folder. Okay, just follow me. We're going to copy this, and we are going to come to our MT4. We're going to go to File, Open Data Folder, and here we go. We are going to go to MQL4, and we're going to go to indicators, and we're going to paste everything that we copied. Right, we're going to paste them all in here. Once you are through with that, then you can exit this. Then you go back to this folder and you copy the templates. When you copy the templates, you come here, you go back to your data folder. All right, and you click on templates, and then you paste the template in here. All right, the Hama scalping system template. Then you exit, okay, and you have to close your MT4 terminal and open it again. You need to restart the terminal in order for you to be able to add all those indicators to your chart, in order for you to be able to add the templates, okay, so that the indicators can load. All right, so we are going to be restarting our MT4 right now. Okay, so having done that, now we can just add the template to the chart. Just right click on your chart, click on template, and then this is the Hama scalping system. We can add it right here on the chart, and here we go. So we have the Hama scalping system right here on our chart. Okay, now you can see that this system uses a lot of indicators, right? But let us just go through them step by step. We have the Kijun Tenkan and the 11 SMA crossover. Okay, so this indicator uses the Kijun Tenkan. Let us go to indicators. You can see we have the X3 Semafor, we have the Kijun Tenkan Kijun Tenkan plus. We have the FTI HAMA system, we have the daily open line, the moving average, the mini signal version 1.1. We have the pivot SD version 5. We have the MACD histogram. So these are all the indicators that this system uses. So basically, when you have a bullish crossover, when you see this line cross above this yellow line, when it crosses above this blue, when it's a bullish move, this particular indicator, the FTI HAMA system, is going to change color to blue. So that's a bullish sign. And then you watch out for this yellow line to cross above it. That's a buy signal. Okay, that's a buy signal. At the same time, you ensure that the MACD histogram changes color to blue, and make sure that histogram are above the 0 level. So that's a buy confirmation. Okay, so when you do that, you can just ride the trend all the way up until you have the Hama system change the color to red. So that could be your exit signal. or you can watch out for the histogram bars changing to MACD histogram bars changing to red, you know, or you can just use resistance level for your take profit for your buy trade. Then the sell trade is just the opposite. Okay, for the sell, just ensure that the yellow line crosses below this HAMA system, the FTI HAMA system, and ensure that this FTI HAMA system indicator changes color to red. Make sure it changes color to red, and make sure that your histogram bars, the MACD histogram bars, changes color to red as well and drops below the zero level. So your histogram bars must be below zero, and this FTMI HAMA system must be red, and the yellow line must cross below it. That's your sell signal. So when you do that, you can set your take profit at support levels, or you can just wait for this HAMA system to change to blue, or you can wait for the histogram bars to change to blue. So you can use different parameters or criteria for your take profit. Okay, it could be support levels for sell, it could be the blue MACD histogram turning to blue, it could be the FTMI HAMA system turning to blue, or you know, whatever other method that you prefer using. All right, then for your take profit, you can just set for your stop loss, you can set your stop loss above the swing high for your sell, or below the swing low, the nearest swing low for your buy. So it's a very straightforward strategy, actually, a very straightforward strategy. Okay, and then you will notice that the color of the candlesticks are also affected. Whenever you have bullish moves, you will notice these green candles, and when you have a bearish move, whether it's a pullback or an impulse move, you're going to notice the purple coloring of the candle. So that can also be an additional confirmation with respect to the prevailing momentum in the market, whether it's bullish or bearish. So that is it for your buy and sell signals. Very straightforward. Okay, it's very straightforward. So the recommended risk to reward ratio for using this strategy is 1:2. Okay, meaning that for every pip that you risk, you should be aiming for double the reward. So if you are risking 10 pips, you should be aiming for 20 pips minimum for your reward. If you are risking 20 pips, you should be aiming for minimum of 40 pips as your reward. If you are risking 50 pips, you should be aiming for minimum of 100 pips for your reward. Now, some additional tips for successful scalping include trading during high liquidity sessions. The best times to use the Hama Scalping Systems, the Hama Scalping System, are during the London and New York sessions, okay, when volatility is at its peak. And then also avoid trading during major news events, because high impact news can cause random price spikes, making scalping difficult. Also, stick to major forex currency pairs. All right, it's important, okay, because they offer better spreads and execution speeds, making them ideal for scalping. All right, also use a broker with tight spreads, because scalping requires frequent entries and exits. So using a broker with low spread costs can improve your overall performance. And that is a wrap on the Hama Scalping System. This powerful trend following strategy gives traders a clear structure to identify market direction, confirm entries, and manage trades effectively. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth forex trading strategies. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, or if you'd like to see a live trading example of this strategy. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.